if I could run with you.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome serum that you can use any time of the day and on any type of skin. It will suit all types of skin, whether you have sensitive, dry, combination, or oily skin. It will moisturize the driest areas of your skin, wherever it is. We use a very dehydrating diet nowadays, like tea, coffee, and fizzy drinks, which dehydrates our body and our skin. This serum will help your skin glow. But along with this, you have to drink a lot of water so that your skin is well hydrated from the inside. It is very important to drink 10 to 12 glasses of water. It will only glow from the outside if it is well hydrated from the inside. And start using this serum and you will be amazed to see the glow and softness in your skin. Take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of glycerin, 2 tablespoons of orange essential oil, 2 tablespoons of rosemary, and 5 vitamin E capsules. Orange essential oil is a wonder oil for maintaining the health, appearance, and texture of skin by promoting clarity, radiance, and smoothness, by reducing the signs of aging, fine lines, acne, and other uncomfortable skin conditions. Mix these all ingredients well and transfer to a dark colored bottle that has a dropper lid. Our miracle serum is ready to use. Use the dropper and put 2 or 3 drops of the serum on your face and begin to massage it. I also want to give you one more tip. Don't use a serum for more than a month, because after a month it will not be suitable for use. Use it for 1 month and discard whatever is left after that. Use this serum every night before going to bed. Make sure your face is clean and dry from all types of makeup. Glycerin is a very effective moisturizer on the skin, and it reduces dry and dull patches on your skin. Massage it in circular and outward motions, concentrating on the areas that are the most dry and scaly ones. Rosemary oil has great anti-aging properties. Additionally, it will help prevent damage to your skin from environmental agents. While vitamin E oil, as you all know, is a highly moisturizing oil, which also minimizes the appearance of scars, wrinkles, and fine lines. After massaging for 2 minutes, apply whatever you apply at night and go to sleep. You can also apply this serum in the morning, before makeup, and before going out in the sun, and especially at night, when it gives the maximum results as it gets the maximum time to work. You can also use this serum on your body. Take the amount of the body lotion you use to put on your arms and then just add 4 or 5 drops of this serum to it and apply it. Use this serum for 1 month and see the results for yourself. You will notice that this winter, your skin will remain soft, supple, highly moisturized, and most important of all, glowing. I hope you liked my video. Share it and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!